To access our library of webinars, you first must go to www.cnybj.com. From there, you'll get a drop-down under Business Tools and click on Previous Webinars. From there, you'll see our vast library of webinars. For this demonstration, we'll click on Leveraging Digital Marketing to Grow Your Business with the Digital Hive. Next, all you do is click to view webinar. You'll get a thank you screen, but first you have to fill out the form to access the webinar. From there, you click Send. And now you can enjoy your copy of the webinar. So all you do is click the link, and there you go. You can view it, play it full screen, do whatever you would like with it. So this was the tutorial on how to access our webinars.